Regular self-foot massage offers a myriad of health benefits, enhancing blood circulation throughout the body and ensuring a smooth flow in the circulatory system of the feet. This simple practice plays a pivotal role in expediting overall metabolism, contributing to a healthier and more active body. Effectively stimulating the reflex zones on the foot is not just a pleasurable experience but also a powerful method to regulate the functions of the nervous system. The intricate network of nerves in the feet connects to various parts of the body, making foot massage a holistic approach to enhancing overall well-being. Beyond its physiological advantages, self-foot massage becomes a reliable ally in combating fatigue. The rhythmic kneading and pressing motions alleviate tension, promoting relaxation and rejuvenation. It's a natural remedy that contributes to improved energy levels and a revitalized sense of well-being.